Assalamu alaikum 10th class. Here's your biology teacher Mishal Ahmed, and today I am going to explain lungs cancer. Lungs cancer is actually the uncontrolled cell division, which is the result of the mitosis. In 9th class you have read the whole chapter regarding mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is actually the process in which the daughter cells are produced from the parent cells, and they have same number of chromosomes as that of the parent cell. Lung cancer, if gets at a larger scale, it forms tumors, and if the tumors are malignant means at very large scale. If these tumors are at large scale or are they malignant, they invade the other tissues as well. Means that if the cancerous cells are dividing in the lungs tissue, they can also get access to other parts of your body. You can see here the diagram. Here we have lungs, and here we have cancerous cells which are dividing again and again, which form here a diseased part. Now you should know that how cell divides. Cell divides, suppose here we have a single cell. Now here mitosis occurs. This mitosis is responsible for the division of cell into two cells. These two cells then divide into 4 cells, and after formation of the 4 cell, these cells go on increasing to 8 to 16 to 32 and many more. After that, symptoms of lungs cancer. First of all, we have a shortness of breath. Second is coughing. This coughing may be sometimes with blood. After that, third symptom is weight loss. Now causes. First, the main and major cause is smoking, because smoking contains 50 different kinds of carcinogens. Now you should know what carcinogens are. Carcinogens are cancer causing chemical. After that, causes may be ionizing radiations. Third is viral infection. Maybe any virus can infect your any part of the body, or we are talking about the respiratory disorder, so the lungs can be infected by any kind of virus. After that, we come towards passive smoking. In passive smoking, inhalation of smoke from other person's smoke. Means in passive smoking, the person is not directly inhaling the smoke, but it is coming from the environment in which the other people are smoking. Cigarette has two ends, burning end and filter end. The burning end is more dangerous than filter end, because the end which is burning releases more carcinogenic smoke. So after that, we come towards the prevention. What should be the prevention? Prevention may be by banning the cigarette companies, or by advertising the different diseases caused by the smoking. Smoking may cause tuberculosis, which is normally known as TB. And after that, what is the role of WHO? Means World Health Organization advises to ban the production of the cigarettes in the cigarette companies, and to aware the people about the importance of their health and not to smoke, because smoke can cause many diseases.